Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering how to get a refund from your Picsart subscription, or if it is even possible, you are in the right place. In this video, I will clear all the doubts and show you exactly what you can do for that. And you can follow this step by step. So stick around till the video. So first you have to check the refund policy of the Picsart. When you log in this Picsart website, scroll down to the website, and in the company section you will see this support option. Click on that. After clicking, you will get to see these options. Here you can see the search bar. Type on the refund. Here you can see their refund policy. Click on that. Here Picsart is unable to process refund for your subscription once your payment has been processed. You can cancel the subscription at any time. Once you cancel, you will still be able to access premium feature until your subscription period has ended. It means Pixar does not process refund directly once your payment has been made. However, you can cancel your subscription at any time. You will still have access to premium feature until the end of your billing period. Uh, Next step, you can go if you have a Apple or Google Play, but there is a way to get a refund. Yes, there is. If you are subscribed via a Picsart app, refunds are managed through the Apple Store, meaning you will need to contact Apple or Google Play directly to the request your money. For Apple users, you can go through these steps. Go to the report.problem.apple.com, sign in there with your Apple ID, find your Picsart subscription and select request a fund. And this is simple. You can do that with if you are an Apple user, but if you are an Android user, you can follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select payment and subscription. And after that, you need to click on the subscription, and there you will get to see the Picsart option, and click on that and request a fund. You can do with this Google Play Store, and you can also go to Google Help and feedback section, uh, and follow the refund processes. Like here you can see they have uh, given the full article related to how you can request a refund, and you can request refund and whatever you uh, want to do with your subscriptions. So to sum it up, Pixar would not give you a refund directly, but you can request on through Apple or Google Play Store. Just make sure you act fast because refunds eligibility depends on how long ago you made the purchase. I hope this video found helpful. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and thanks for watching.